How to change ally color in Marvel Rivals. So first, you just simply need to click on your settings here at the top right. Now, once you're there, you simply need to go to accessibility, and here you will see the custom color section where you could change your ally color right here. So on default, it is set to like this color. If I set it to orange, it will go orange. Set it to red, it will go red right here. So as you can see at the top, it is changing. So let's say I want to go with green. Now green is set just like that. You can also change your HP bar color if you want. So let's say you want yellow green or just yellow. But orange yellow is I think better. But it's set to my enemy color, so I'm just gonna change that to maybe green. So I set it to green right here. You could also change the shield HP bar color if you want, and also the warning colors. You could set this to red or orange. Maybe red is better for visibility, I guess. But that's basically it.